We're now going to find out the answer to that question we raised at the end of the last project. You didn't expect us to let you off the hook, did you? After you complete the wiring connections, turn the control knob clockwise to switch power on. Press the key and the meter pointer will swing to the right. Now release the key and you'll see the meter pointer return to the left toward 0 at a certain speed. Press and release the key again, but now adjust the control knob after releasing the key. You'll see the meter pointer return at different speeds as you adjust the control. Can you figure out what's happening? The control is adjusting how fast the capacitor can discharge. If the current from the capacitor meets a high resistance, the capacitor cannot discharge as quickly as it could into a low resistance. You see now that a resistor can control both the charging and discharging times of a capacitor. Electronics engineers refer to this as the RC time constant. This means we can control the operation of several circuits, such as oscillators, by using different values of resistors and capacitors. We'll see several examples of how this is done in future projects.
This has been a Cassette Master production.